Hi guys, and welcome back. I had made a video earlier and I totally messed it up in the editing process. It was like seriously blue, so I had to redo it. So what I was saying in a video prior to this one is these are things we can make in tutorials. This is a 6x6 sheet of paper, and actually it was a 12 by 12. Maybe it was a 12 by 12. So anyhow, you cut all the pieces out and then we just embellish. So it's got this, and it's got the little corner piece, and it's got a belly band, and then it's got a little pocket here, a little pocket here, and a little pocket on the back. So we can make those, and then this is all just stuff you stuff it with. A little set of tickets, homemade tickets. So we'll do a lot of that. We'll just do stuff. Okay, so there's that. And then this is something I won in a, well, that goes in here. Just something that I won in a journaling. I don't know, I don't remember why this lady had this deal, but I won. So this is basically a lunch bag. This is just a lunch bag. And then it has this, and then a little envelope there, and then your little journal, and then your little pockets here, and little notebook there, and then there's where you could stick. See, she glued it. There's a little tiny pocket right there. So this is just an altered lunch bag, and we can do that. I prefer the string or the lace closures, but that's what it is. This one I'm going to have to go back and watch the video on. This is a pocket in the back. So you got one sheet of paper with a pocket on the back and covered. And then you got this piece of paper with a belly band. And then you've got your pocket here. And then you've got a hidden pocket here. And then a pocket here. So basically, I think she used, I don't remember, I think it was a file folder. I don't remember, but, oh, no, you put, this piece of paper has a little lip on it, and you put it inside that piece of paper. This might have been an envelope. But we could do it with an envelope easily. Or however we want, whatever we wanted to make it with. So that's how you do that. And then you pull this pocket. Yeah, I think this was an envelope. This was definitely an envelope. But it was cool. So we could make something exactly like it or similar to it. And then this was all made from one 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And then I'm pretty sure I kept the video on this. So you cut this is a top piece that's cut, okay? And then this piece is cut. So you got offcuts. You use the entire sheet of paper. And I don't remember, it might have been on this side, because it's, like I said, it's a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. Or this one was here. This one here. I don't remember, but I know I have it. You go so many inches in and all of that razzmatazz. So we can make these. These were fun. I would love to make these again. Only oops, I got that backwards. We'll totally doctor them up. Like I said, we'll use Marguerite Miller. We'll get the journals made, and then we'll make the Marguerite Miller. We'll use it to embellish them. Okay? So stay tuned for that. And there's another video coming out on what to expect, because we're going to start in week 9. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.